mess. Hi. So we are going to be doing our webbing page today. Everyone should have this page in their work packet for the week. So it says choose a picture word card to fill in each part of the web. So this is our web today. We're going to be answering what, another what, where, why, and when. And the options we have today, you guys can cut this out so that we can glue them to our correct spaces, is now, sharing happiness, coronavirus, help others, and neighborhoods. So you should take out your article as well so that you can refer back to it when we think about what our answers are for the webbing graph. So we always start with the middle. The middle is we want to know, what did we read? What did we read? So if we look at the bottom ones here, we see, what do we read? What did we read? What was the title of our article? The title of our article was Sharing Happiness. That was the title. So we're actually going to skip to another what. So this one is asking basically what was another subject in our article? What is keeping us at home? Maybe I can say that. What is going on right now? Why are people sharing happiness? Now, I wouldn't say why are people sharing happiness, but what is making people share happiness? Now, coronavirus, help others, or neighborhoods. So you'll see this in the first page of your article. So what is it? It's the coronavirus. So the coronavirus is happening right now, and people are staying home so that they don't catch the coronavirus, right? So that is what is keeping people from going out. If you want to read some more or have a reminder of what the coronavirus is, you can refer to the videos from the first week, I believe. The next question is where? Where is this happening? Where are people sharing happiness? Is it now, help others, or neighborhoods? Where are they sharing happiness? They are sharing happiness in neighborhoods. So they could be, if you go to outside and look in your neighborhood, you might see people doing the stuff that we've been reading about. You might find some bears in your neighborhood windows, teddy bears. You might see some rainbows. You might hear some music. Those are all things that you might see in your neighborhood. We're going to look at why. Why are people sharing happiness? Is it now, or is it to help others? So why are people sharing happiness? What is the reason? What does that do for people? People are sharing happiness because they want to help others. So if I'm happy, I want to help someone else be happy as well. I want to help them. And the last question asks, when? When are people sharing happiness? And the answer is your last and only option. They are sharing happiness right now. So right now, because people are home and they might not feel very well, they might feel sad, they might feel worried, they are able to share happiness now to make other people feel better. So to review, the article we read today was Sharing Happiness. We read about the coronavirus. People are sharing happiness in neighborhoods. They are sharing happiness because they want to help others, and they are sharing happiness right now.